guys, welcome to Family Time Kalburgi. Please do like and share and comment.
Hello friends, today I'm going to show you poha cutlet. So for that you need 1 cup of poha, 1 medium sized boiled potato, half cup of rice flour, 1 onion finely chopped, oil for shallow frying, salt, coriander powder, jeera powder, chaat masala, coriander, kasuri methi, red chili flakes, pepper powder, half tablespoon of green chili paste. So we'll be going into the procedure now. For this, first you need to wash poha. So I've already done it and I'm adding into it. You need to make a fine dough with it by smashing this poha. So for the same reason I'm using my hands. You need to make a fine dough. Now you can add boiled potato. Once it's completely smashed, add onions, half cup of onions. Smash this. Now add half cup of rice flour. Add salt according to your taste. Now add all the ingredients. The mixture is ready. So once again I'll repeat all the ingredients what all I've added. I've added finely chopped onion, poha, 1 cup of poha, 1 medium sized boiled potato, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon of jeera powder, 1 tablespoon of dhania powder, half tablespoon of pepper powder, half tablespoon of chaat masala, half tablespoon of green chili paste. If you doesn't have green chili paste, then red chili flakes, 1 tablespoon of red chili flakes. Grease your palm, make small balls of it. make into a cutlet shape. Add oil. And fry it. Apply oil, press it very flat, and in this I have already cut cheese into cubes, so I'm adding cheese to this and folding it. So this is called as poha cheese balls. I'm just putting it in the oil. Heat both of them in the slow flame. Okay, now I'm showing you another procedure. If you are health conscious, you can add 1 drop of oil. If you don't want to add oil also, you can do it. Make a small balls and put into this. So now the cheese balls are ready. I'm transferring it into a plate. And even the cutlets are ready. These are also completely cooked. Cheese balls and poha cutlets are ready. So now I think it's completely baked. Yes, it's done. So now we can remove them. Baked poha balls are ready. So these are the baked poha balls. These are cheese poha balls and poha cutlets. So I'm showing you the cheese balls.
Wow.
So these are the cheese balls. These are especially for kids who love cheese.